Have you ever done a swap and ended up with less crypto than you expected? Well, I've been using Ultra Mode, and not only is it fast and easy to use, it also keeps me safe from bots that are trying to take away my precious tokens. Let's break down sandwich attacks, slippage, and how Jupiter's Ultra Mode actually helps protect your trades and keep more crypto in your wallet. See, a sandwich attack is a very sneaky DeFi exploit. Here's how it works. A bot sees that you have a trade that you want to make. So what do? They jump right in with a buy before your trade executes. This gives you a worse price. Then, right after your trade is done, they sell their position, capturing that value. They pocket the profit, you get a worse trade price and get fewer tokens as a result. Or said differently, you get a bad rate, they get free money. This is a major problem on Solana today. There's been hundreds of millions of dollars lost every year by traders to these bots and these sandwich attacks. Slippage is a little bit different, but still an important thing to understand. It's the difference between the expected price of your trade and the actual price that your trade executes at. Basically, it's the difference between what you see on the screen and what actually ends up in your wallet. In volatile or low liquidity markets, I'm looking at you, meme coins, slippage can get pretty high. And if it's too high, it can actually make your trade fail or create an even bigger avenue for these kind of sandwich attacks. So how do you stay safe from bots and make sure that your slippage does not spike? The answer is simple. Use Jupiter's Ultra Mode. It takes DeFi trade protection to the next level. Here's how it works. First, it'll take large swaps and chop them into smaller swaps so that there's less of an opportunity for someone to front run you. Then it goes through RTSE, that's real-time slippage estimation, which is a major innovation on Solana. RTSE optimizes your slippage, not so high that you're constantly getting sandwiched and losing out on tokens, but also not so low that your trade fails. And then Ultra Mode, every single second, is looking for the best routes for you so that you can get the best price with the best execution. This isn't just protection, right? It's optimization. Ultra Mode helps you win on price and on speed. We all want the same thing. Less bots, more tokens. So start using Ultra Mode on Jupiter. It is the single best way to trade on-chain. Just go to jupe.ag in your browser and be sure that it's turned on by flicking the little toggle. Remember, it's not only faster and safer, it's actually much, much cheaper than swapping directly through a wallet, nearly 10x cheaper for some wallets. If you use Ultra Mode, leave a comment down below. Give us some feedback. How can we make it even better for you? And if you haven't used it yet, make sure to check it out today.